Welcome back to my channel, and this is your Lolo Groovy. Our project for today is how to change a flat tire. The reserve tire is located inside the trunk compartment of the vehicle. It also includes a tire wrench and a scissor jack. Lift and remove the styrofoam nest and unscrew the knob that holds the spare tire. Remove the tire. Refer to your manual for a specific jacking spot. Secure the jack in place. Loosen the lug nuts. Engage the parking brake. Jack up the vehicle until the tire is not in contact with the ground. Use a jack support if available for added safety. Remove the lug nuts and the tire. Check the tire pressure before installing the reserve tire. Tighten the lug nuts just enough to hold the tire in place. Remove the jack stand and lower the vehicle. Use an alternating pattern when tightening the lug nuts. This vehicle has 5 lug nuts, so in this case, I'm using a star pattern. Finally, tighten the lug nuts. This concludes our presentation, and if you find the video helpful, please subscribe and support my channel, and don't forget to push the notification bell for more updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.